Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alyssa, and in today's video I do have a little Glamnetic unboxing for you guys, and I'm also just going to be testing out and giving my first impressions on a couple of the products since I've never used anything from the brand before. And if you guys don't know what Glamnetic is, it is an Asian female founded brand by Anne McFerrin. And growing up as an Asian woman, she struggled with having thin lashes. I think her growing up as an Asian female, it's hard to not compare yourself to like the typical beauty standards. And just being an Asian woman myself, I definitely relate to that because I think Asians just aren't really blessed with having thick, voluminous lashes. So anything that will make these lashes stand out a little more, I'm all for it. Just because it's the common struggle that I feel like we all have. So with that, she came up with the creation of magnetic lashes, which I feel like changed the game in the beauty industry. Like when magnetic lashes first came out, it was a very, very big deal. But I feel like that's such an amazing thing. Like not only did she kind of helped her build her confidence, because that's initially where it all stemmed from, but it helps so many other people in the community who may also have been feeling a similar way that she was. Because I remember when Glamnetic lashes first became like the big thing, I was just like blown away, because I guess that concept of just not having to use glue anymore was it was a wild thing. But I love the idea of it. I think it's great for people who kind of just struggle with putting on your traditional lashes. And I think it's just overall very beginner friendly, because if you guys remember the time of like putting on your first ever pair of falsies, I feel like it took a while for me personally. So anything to make that experience easier for so many other people. And also if your eyes are more sensitive, I feel like these are a great alternative, because I know sometimes my eyes would get like really red and itchy. I think it's from the lash glue. Like it just kind of irritates my eyes. So I feel like that kind of helped tackles that issue for people who aren't really able to wear traditional lashes. But yeah, eventually the brand did move on to other products such as press-on nails, which I also have a couple of. So super excited to show you guys everything that I got, and yeah, let's get right into the unboxing portion. Okay, so super amazing like holographic packaging. I think it's so cute. So I did get to pick out quite a few items. So starting off, I picked out 2 of their magnetic liners. I believe these are just the magnetic felt tip eyeliner pen. So just in 2 colors. I have one in brown and also one in black. I was also able to pick out 3 sets of lashes. So yeah, I have one pair in their style Fantasy, Hustler, and Free Spirit. These look really, really pretty. Can't wait to try them. I'm gonna pick one to try out for this video. Oh, also forgot about this. We have a Glamnetic lash grab. I love the packaging. It's like very holographic once again, very unicorn vibes, which is so cute. But yeah, it's literally just like a lash grabber tweezer type thing, and then we have a little brush on the other end. And last but not least, I got to pick out 2 of their press-on nail sets. First one I have is their gold truffle. I think it's so pretty. It's like a perfect fall nail set. Really love it. And the second one I got is called Exposed, and this one is just like a very long, kind of like light pink coffin shaped nail. I think it's so pretty and like such a classic set of nails. Okay, now time to test out the lashes. So I'm gonna move my mirror closer up just so I have better access. Super excited for this because I've never used magnetic lashes of any sort before, so this will be an honest first impressions just to see if I really like it. So I'm just gonna use the black magnetic liner. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the style Free Spirit, since that looks like a very natural subtle lash, and my makeup right now is just very natural overall. So here's a close-up of the lashes. I think they look so, so pretty. So the first thing, I am going to be applying the magnetic liner. Hopefully I don't mess this up because I'm not really the best at applying liners. Whoa, okay, hold on. Okay. Ooh. This liner, it really doesn't look the best, but okay, the liner is on. I don't want to get too close up because my liner game is not the greatest. I have not applied eyeliner in so long, but okay, the liner is not the worst. It's really not. Maybe I'm just a little overreacting. It's not great, but it's not the worst. Okay, the most important part are the lashes. So I'm gonna be removing them from the box, and it's really cool because you can just place them back into the box. It's like a little magnetic strip, so that makes it very, very easy. And on the lash, there are like two little end pieces, which are the anchors, and those are mainly just to help kind of like sandwich your lashes once you have the actual lash on your eye. So I'm just gonna remove the anchors from the lash first because I don't need them yet, or if I need them at all. Now for the exciting part, the lash application. Okay, just gonna, oh, what? Hold on. No. Oops. Ow, it's sticking to my tweezers. No. Okay. Do you guys see that? That was literally all it took. Like, it's on. Whoa. But wow, this is like actually just on there. Like I'm tugging on this and it's pretty stable. Wow. So this is the final look. I think it honestly looks pretty good. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how easy and quick that was, because honestly I was a little nervous since I've never used magnetic lashes before in my life, so I thought it was going to take me like a little while, but you guys literally just saw how quick and easy that all was for the whole application from like beginning to end. That's pretty stable. I think especially if you put like the anchors at the ends, it'll provide that like extra hold on your lashes, because it's technically like sandwiching your natural lashes in between. Again, I'm wearing the Free Spirit lashes right now, and I think they're really pretty. They're like the perfect amount of like volume and length for me, I feel like. I'm also going to insert a few pictures up right now just so that you guys can kind of see what the lashes look like on me and just have a better view of that. But I do really like them. I think the only downside I can say about these is that they do have like a thicker lash band. I feel like even when I wear lashes, like I really like that just a very thin lash band where it's like practically invisible. But I do understand that these are a little thicker due to the fact that they have a magnetic strip on them. So I completely understand, because that's like the whole point of the lash. But that's just the only con I really have to say, and honestly that's just personal preference for me. I'm more of like a very thin liner lash band type of girl, but I can totally see myself like wearing this on a night out or something like that, where I want a more like bolder eye look. I think these would be perfect for it, and I feel like the hold is honestly amazing. But yeah, aside from that, I think the overall application is so easy and quick. Definitely very beginner friendly, because there's really not much effort besides applying the liner, and I don't even think you need to be like skilled at applying liner, because you don't need to do like a fancy wing. If you just apply like a basic liner on top, the lashes will literally adhere to the magnetic liner. And what I really find that's cool about this is that you can reuse these lashes up to 60 times, which is so much longer than like your traditional lashes, because I feel like traditional lashes are just a bit more fragile, and these actually feel very like durable and like amazing quality. Not just saying that. And another cool thing is once you're done, you can literally just place them back into the original packaging and they'll stick right on because there is a magnetic strip in the box. So that definitely makes life a little easier. It's definitely travel friendly because traditional lashes, sometimes they don't even stay on in the original packaging. So yeah, I think that's super, super beneficial. Okay, moving on to the press-on nails. I do have two of them, like I said, in Exposed and Gold Truffle. I think I will be trying on the Gold Truffle because these are a bit shorter and I think it's such a cute fall vibe. So definitely gonna put these to the test. So inside the packaging, it does come with the glue, the extra nail kits, an alcohol pad to wipe your nails, and then also a little small wooden cuticle pusher. I'm so excited for these because I love press-on nails because one, they're so much cheaper than getting your nails done at an actual salon, and also it's just so much easier and quicker, and you get to do it at the convenience of your own home. So sometimes if you're like a busy person and you don't have like time to squeeze in a nail appointment, you can literally do these anytime that you want to, and it literally takes not that long, I promise. One way to prep for this is that I do recommend filing your actual nails down a little bit, like on the edges, and then maybe also just filing down some of these nails a little bit if they don't fit over your nail like perfectly. And it just makes the process of applying the nails so much quicker and easier. So to start off, you definitely want to start with clean, fresh nails, and if needed you can push your cuticles back with this little small wooden cuticle pusher. So I already sorted out the nails of which ones fit over my fingers, so we can get straight into the glue application. So to start off, I will be applying some glue directly on the nail and then also on my actual nail. Then you can go ahead and apply it at a diagonal angle, and then you just want to hold it down for 10 to 20 seconds. I feel like 10 seconds usually does the trick for me. I'd also recommending laying down a paper towel just because sometimes the glue can get messy and it can stain your furniture, and it's pretty hard to remove. So yeah, I definitely recommend doing this. So just like that, we already have one nail down. So again, we're gonna apply some glue directly on the nail and then on your actual nail. And angle it as you slowly press down, and it's on. Okay guys, these are the final nails. They look so good. There is a little bit of glue residue on a couple of my nails that I'm gonna try to remove after this, but other than that, they look amazing. And honestly, it took like, I don't know, 15 minutes or so, I would say. Yeah, I just love the convenience of this and like how quick it is to just pop these on. And I really love the design of these. They're like a mauve-y kind of brown color, and then I think the gold marble on them makes them just look a little bit more classy, but like very minimal for the fall as well, which I don't know, I feel like these nails just scream fall vibes. I think these are absolutely perfect if you guys have like last minute events or vacations, or you just really couldn't squeeze in a nail appointment. I think these literally come in so handy. So I can't recommend these enough. They are just chef's kiss. They're so amazing. Glamnetic actually has a lot of variety to choose from, both their magnetic lashes and their press-on nails. So I'd highly recommend you guys check it out because I'm sure you'll find something that suits your style and your preference. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, I will drop a 15% off discount code for you guys here, and I'll also leave everything down in the description box below. As always, I hope you enjoyed this review and found this video helpful in many ways. And again, just wanted to give a thank you to Glamnetic for sending me all these goodies to try out. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.